Good afternoon. This is Matt Coten, Senior Solutions Architect at Cloudbrink. In today's video, I will be showing you how Cloudbrink can significantly improve performance and a user's overall experience when accessing a VDI instance. In this video, I have a Windows 11 workstation located in the United States, and I have a connection into a VDI instance hosted in AWS Workspace in Mumbai, India. In the VDI instance, I am currently streaming a high-definition video back to my computer, and I'm running a statistics viewer to capture the quality of the image that is coming down. As you can see on my connection, I'm experiencing a very inconsistent connection to that VDI instance. I have an image quality that's ranging as low as 40, going up to 80, but I'm just seeing a very inconsistent connection to that instance. Studies have been shown that when you apply even 1% of packet loss to a connection with a VDI instance, that connection quality will significantly drop off, and that at 1 to 2%, it almost becomes unusable. We've shown studies and improvements with Cloudbrink that after implementing Cloudbrink, that we can see an image quality up to a score of 80 when accessing that VDI instance. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in with the Cloudbrink agent. So as I log in here, I'm redirected to Okta functioning as my identity provider. And I'm sending a push notification to myself logging in. And then once Okta finishes validating my identity, it's going to successfully log me into Cloudbrink. Once connected into Cloudbrink, if I look at my Applications tab, I can see that AWS Workspace is one of my configured applications that I am now going to be applying our performance enhancements in our overlay network to. If I transition back over to the VDI instance within AWS Workspace, what we're going to notice is that the video quality has substantially improved, and that all of a sudden I'm now going to essentially flatline out here at an image quality of 80 and stay consistent on that connection throughout the connection. This is how Cloudbrink can improve a user's overall experience. Thank you.